Alma proudly stands as the sole supplier capable of offering a wide array of solutions for the bakery industry. Their complete solutions span from handling products straight out of the oven to boxing and final pallet placement. The manual ice cream maker is perfect for whipping up homemade ice cream right in your kitchen. How convenient is that? The packaging machine for these sweet chocolate candies can wrap up to 1,200 pieces per minute in folded form. Fleisigov 9-in-1 meat grinder is a powerful and convenient choice for food processing. With a pure copper motor, this 1700-watt electric meat grinder delivers impressive performance, helping you grind up to 4.4 pounds of minced meat per minute, in particular. This machine is not only suitable for grinding beef, chicken, venison, and pork, but also for grinding vegetables. This creates flexibility in use and diversification of dishes. What are you most impressed with in the new Dragon fruit processing line? Please share with everyone in the comments section below. Have you ever imagined that your favorite meat skewers could be produced by a modern robot system? With this robotic system, straight skewers are dropped into a box to be sent to you. Minced meat products are shaped by unique craft. Forms meat products with an exceptionally tender and juicy texture. Minced meat products have a particularly liquid and juicy texture. Cutting meatballs has never been easier and will make you crave meatballs. This cutting machine is an alternative to the traditional manual cutting method, to create even and beautiful meatballs in a short time. This conveyor belt is designed to ensure the safety and convenience of transporting eggs from different stages of the production process. With heat-resistant and anti-slip material, Flex Belt helps avoid egg damage or collisions during travel. The image of eggs seemingly chasing each other on the conveyor belt is really attractive and interesting. It demonstrates the flexibility and dynamism of the production process and is also a testament to the efficiency of technology and work processes in the factory. How do you feel about this necklace? Toast, a work of art in the culinary world, standing out with its attractive beauty and wonderful taste. With a crispy outside and soft inside, toast is not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of warmth and familiarity. Uniformity and precision in the size and shape of the cookies indicate the efficiency and precision of the production line. At the same time, the bright lights and colors of the cakes create an attractive and exciting feeling, stimulating the taste and sight of observers.